We are going to learn how to drive any car or pickup truck that has automatic transmission. Some trucks have this lever up here. The lever will be up here to shift gears. It doesn't matter where the lever is, it will be handled the same way. I already have a video in which I explain what all these car buttons are for, but this is going to be a quick video. If you want to, you can go and check it out. In the description is the link. All automatic cars and trucks will always have two pedals. Thinner right pedal is for acceleration and thicker left pedal is for braking. We are always going to drive with the right foot. We accelerate and brake with the same foot. We accelerate and brake. I also have a video explaining how to drive a standard manual transmission. The link is also down below. Here it will depend on the brand of your car or truck. Any automatic car will always have the P, R, N and the D. As in this case, you can see the M, which is manual mode. Some cars, instead of having the M, they can have the number 3, 2, 1 or 2, or they can have just one. Some cars have an S. I already have explained that in one video. Right now we are going to be using these four letters. P for parking, R for reverse, and neutral. The car is not going to move forward or backwards. But if someone pushes the car with force and you are not pressing the brake, the car will move. D is for drive, it's going to move forward, and the manual is to make manual changes with the plus and minus buttons. Sometimes these buttons have it on the steering wheel. It depends on the model of your car. I can explain that part on the video down below. We are going to focus right now in these four letters. Behind the lever, if you have a lever like this, we will always have a button to shift the gear. If you don't press this button, you won't be able to make the shift gears. And also most of the cars, even if you press the button and want to move it, it will not move unless you press the brake pedal. You have to press the brake pedal hard and then this button is a child safety. Once pressing both things, now you can change the gear. Right now I can't because the car is off. Always practice on a horizontal surface so you won't have an accident. So we are going to turn on the car. We turn the key. Some cars need to be in parking to turn them on. If you are not in parking, it will not turn on. And we also need to step on the brake pedal. In most cars, we have to step on the brake pedal and now we turn the key. Here it does the scan. We wait a little. It's done and now we turn it on. And when it does, we turn back, we let go and the key comes back itself. I already stopped stepping on the brake because I'm on the P and the car won't move forward or backward. I want you to look at the panel. I'm going to switch from P to R, N and D. I step on the brake with my foot, press the button, and as you can see, I'm stepping on the brake and pressing the button. What I'm going to do is this movement without realizing the pedal or the button. There I can change to where I want, forward, backward. Now I'm in the P of parking. Take it back one step and it changed to reverse. Take another step and it's neutral. Take another step and it's D. I move again to P, forward. I'm still holding on the brake. Don't let it go because it's dangerous. I'm going to go neutral one step, two steps. There I am in neutral. Already I realized the button and stop pressing the brake. Right now the car doesn't move forward or backward because I'm in a horizontal surface, but it's going to go up or down a little if you're not pressing the brake. The car could go backwards and could cause an accident if you don't want to step on the brake and you're in neutral. That's what the handbrake is for. Right now I'm not stepping on anything and the car doesn't move. There it marks the end. If I move the lever here, the D without stepping on the brake and without pressing the button, I will be able to move the lever. Check this. I'm not pressing anything and I'm going to pass it to D and the car starts to move forward. I hit the brake because the car automatically starts to move. Be careful with this. I'm hitting the brake because the car wants to move. I go neutral again. I release the brake and the car doesn't move. But if I want to put it in reverse, they won't let me. This only happens at the D. Be careful in case you one day have a child here and you think that the lever does not move. If the child pulled it, it's dangerous. That is why being neutral is dangerous. It is always better to be in P so the car doesn't move or using the parking brake. Now reverse. That I do have to step on the brake. I press the button and go into reverse. I am already on reverse. The car wants to move backwards. Since I'm pressed the brake, it cannot. When I release the brake, the car starts to move. Let go and go backwards. So as an advice to engage any gear, to step on the brake for safety. To turn off the car, I am right now at D. I press the button. I'm pressing the brake. I go to P. I release the brake and the car does not move. To turn off, we just turn backward. Backwards does not let me. Press the security turn, this let me. I hope you liked this video. As I told you, this is a very quick video. down below I leave the video where I explain everything in an automatic car, in case you did not understand this video very well.